It's kind of confusing that Xiaomi took so long to actually target the smartwatch category in India, but finally it's here. And last year it launched the Mi Watch Revolve, and now we have the Mi Watch Revolve Active, which has just been launched in India. I don't know the price of this watch yet, but as soon as we get to know that, we'll add it in the description box. But today what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox this watch and take you through all the specifications that come along. You're watching India Today Tech. I am Anas Tiwari, and this is our unboxing of the Mi Watch Active Revolve. So this is the Mi Watch Revolve Active retail box, and it comes in a faded yellow sort of color, which is an unusual choice by Xiaomi because we don't usually see too many brands using this color. Also, there is Xiaomi branding at the top. On one side of the box, you can see it says Alexa built-in, which confirms that this watch has Amazon Alexa integration. On the other side, you have almost all the key features mentioned. So Mi Watch Revolve Active has a 3.53 centimeter AMOLED touchscreen. Also, there is blood oxygen monitoring, which means you get SpO2 monitoring here, and heart rate monitoring as well. There are 110 sports modes on this watch. It says long battery life, does not mention what that means, but we'll talk about it later in the video. There is also 5 ATM water resistance rating and automatic detection of workout, and this is quite kind of useless feature because most of these watches fail to automatically detect the workout that you're doing properly. Now let me open the box and show you how the watch looks like. So first up, what you get here is the user manual, and I like that they have kept it very thin, so there are not too many pages here to read, so that is a good thing. And there you have, this is the watch, and it looks very similar to, I mean, it's of course the same watch which is made on the box, but even the color variant and the strap looks very similar to what they're actually showing on the retail box, which is a good thing. So this is how it looks like. The circular dial is there. The strap quality also looks fine. In fact, I have the Redmi watch here, which Xiaomi had launched only a few days back, and I can clearly see that there's a huge difference in the build quality of the two watches. In fact, if you look at the strap itself, the strap on the Mi Watch Revolve Active is a lot thicker and seems more durable than what is there on the Redmi watch. There are two buttons here. One says mode, the other one says sport, and that's what you get. There's also a slight red color lining around the sports button, so that is there. And there is of course the charging pin at the bottom, and the Xiaomi branding again that you get here. So I'll quickly turn this on and keep it aside as we look at other stuff that comes with the watch. So what you also get inside the box is this charger, and this means that you will have to carry this with you wherever you are traveling, and whenever you are traveling, that is, to charge the watch. I don't think there is anything else here. So this is all that you get inside the box of Mi Watch Revolve. Now it's time to set up the Mi Watch Active Revolve, and you'll have to do it through the Xiaomi Wear app. So there are two options. Either you can scan this code using the app, or what I will do is I will directly select the watch since I have the app, and it will automatically detect the device and the watch will be paired with your phone. So it took me only a few seconds to connect the watch or pair the watch with the phone, and you can see here the display is quite bright and quite big as well. So I think a lot of people are going to find this very useful because that's the basic purpose of getting a smartwatch, that you can actually read the data better than a fitness tracker or a fitness band. Now talking about the features, first of all, what you have is a lot of watch faces here. You get more than I think 200 watch faces on this watch with a lot of customizations available. So you can do that. You can change the watch faces directly from the watch, as well as through the app that Xiaomi has paired this with. Also, there are other things. So you have heart rate monitoring, which you can use this watch for on a regular basis. The basic functions are the same. You can swipe up to access quick settings. These include your raise to wake feature. There is also the DND feature, and you can also access other settings from here, including the watch faces. So you can see here there's also always on display option, which you can turn on from here, but it will actually decrease the battery life. So you can swipe down to see the notifications. So this watch again shows you all the notifications and calls from the apps that you give access to, but then again you can't use it to reply to those notifications or pick up the calls. For that you will still have to use your phone. So just like the Redmi watch, this one also comes with built-in GPS, which means that you can actually take this watch with you on while you are cycling or running, and you don't need a phone to record the data. So there is built-in GPS on this one. You can see the different workout modes here as well, which include your normal outdoor walking, running, treadmill, trekking, and a lot of other things which include swimming. So this watch is also 5 ATM water resistant. Now we'll quickly have a look at the app as well and see the kind of features that you get within the Xiaomi Wear app. So of course you can change the watch faces from here. Some of them are locally available while others can be downloaded online. Then you also have the Amazon Alexa support here, which is a very important feature. So I'm yet to log into my Amazon account and connect it with Amazon Alexa, but you can do it, and this is something again we would be testing over the next few days. App notifications, you can allow that access from here, but then that will again take a bit of battery life from the watch. And then there are additional settings which includes widgets, weather, camera. So you can also control your camera and your music app using the Mi Watch Active Revolve. And there are certain workout modes which can actually be used directly through the app without having to turn them on through watch. And all of your data is also shown here within the app. So that is all that you get with Mi Watch Active Revolve. We don't know the price of it yet. I mean, by the time that I'm shooting this video, I haven't got to know the price of it, but once we get to know the price, we will add it in the description box. But this seems like a very decent option for anyone looking for a smartwatch under rupees 10,000, and yeah, it is something that you should definitely consider if you are in the market for an affordable smartwatch. Now if you like this video, you know the basic practice. We have crossed the 1 lakh subscriber mark, but join us. It's a very fast growing community of tech enthusiasts. So please subscribe to India Today Tech YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any updates from our site.